Welcome back to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. We have 2006 Mazda MPV with 3.0 liter. We have a code P0455, P0455 Evap leak. Evap leak, he checked, there is I believe like a universal leak detector pump that they try to, like a smoke machine, that they can use it, and they send smoke by, like here, I'm gonna show you, they put air here. And this one here is not like expensive or, but it's a quick tester that you can test it. You can put it power ground, it become hot, like hot a little bit, and then it will send smoke. They check, they see, they don't see nothing. This car, particular Mazda, Ford, all those cars, when you have an evap leak, it could be a charcoal, it could be as a solenoid on the charcoal solenoid evap. You need to check your evap system, which is this line here or the line that coming from the fuel tank. The car failed the emission. Also, you need to check one thing. You have to start by this first. This is the code that we are getting. The car failed the emission test. You see here, P0455, one code. The very simple thing you need to do, or you start with, is getting here and check your gas cap. Let me open it. Okay, let's go here and check this gas cap. Okay, gas cap, take it out and look at it. I am not sure if this gas cap is original or the seal inside is good, but it's recommend that to have a good gas cap. Change the gas cap first and then drive your car and test it, because most of the time this gas cap is not good. Put a new one, original, don't put aftermarket. And then from there test it, drive your car, test it, clear the code. If the code keep coming back, you may have to be sure that check all the lines, nothing is broke inside, no lines, and the charcoal canister, all the evap line have to be checked correctly. This is only what I give you as an idea. See here. And see you in another video. Please subscribe, share. I believe the car failed the inspection, and he have to, either way, if you don't fix it, you will not pass the inspection. I don't know what I have it here. Yeah, it's failed. Here it say that it failed. Evap and the catalytic are not ready. But before he drove the car, before the car become ready, the car threw up this. But it say leak detection pump, evaporative emission system leak detected large. So you have to start with it and be sure that everything is okay. Thank you for watching Mobile. Please subscribe, share, and we will continue fixing this car till I give you the result what happened.